In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort cards in Trello. If your Trello lists feel a little messy, sorting is a quick way to bring order back without changing any of your card details. You'll keep all your descriptions, checklists, and attachments. Only the order of the cards in a single list will change. Start by opening your Trello board and locating the specific list you want to organize. In Trello, a list is the vertical column of cards, often representing a stage in your workflow. At the top of that list, next to the list title, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. That's the list menu. Click it to open a panel of list actions. From that menu, choose Sort By. This opens your sorting options. Now, you can select how you want Trello to rearrange those cards for you automatically. If you pick alphabetical, Trello will sort based on the card titles. This is great when your naming is consistent, like prefixing tasks with categories or numbers, because it instantly groups similar items together. If you choose due date, Trello sorts by the deadlines you've assigned to cards. This is ideal for prioritizing what needs attention first. You can typically choose whether you want the earliest due dates at the top or flip the order. Keep in mind, cards without due dates may be placed at the bottom or grouped separately, so it's helpful to add due dates to anything time-sensitive for the most accurate result. Another handy option is Date Created. This orders cards by when they were added to the list. It's useful for reviewing older tasks you might have overlooked, or, conversely, for focusing on the newest work first. As with due dates, you can usually switch between oldest first or newest first depending on your workflow. Once you select your preferred sorting criteria, Trello immediately reorders the cards in that list. No extra steps needed. The change applies only to the list you sorted. So if you'd like the same sort applied elsewhere, open the menu on each other list and repeat the sort by action. And if you ever want a custom order again, you can simply drag and drop cards manually. Sorting doesn't lock anything in place. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Alphabetical sorting looks only at the card title, so emojis or prefixes can affect order. With due dates, double check that each card has a date if you want a complete timeline view. And large lists may take a moment to reshuffle. Just give it a second. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And consider subscribing for more tutorials. Let us know in the comments what you think and how we can improve future videos. Thanks for watching.